Can you see at night? I hope so. But what goes into you having really good sight while driving? Of course, it's your headlights that make the road bright and safe to travel during the nighttime hours. Over the years, headlights have benefited from many changes. The original lights were basically lanterns with reflectors built in. Sometime mid-century, the sealed beam headlight appeared and changed the night driving landscape. Next, the different shapes and then halogen bulbs were used. High-intensity discharge lights came next, and now we have LED lights. This evolution has been a big improvement for night driving. Regardless of how good the headlight is, if it's not pointed in the correct direction, it is nearly useless. So how do our headlights know where to shine? Most headlights are mounted into a bracket that attaches to a front structure of the car. These sometimes have springs holding the bulbs in place with a screw on two sides of the bulb. These allow adjustment of the screws left and right, and aiming the other adjusts them up and down. These adjusters are a simple bolt with a plastic anchor that attaches to the front core support on older vehicles. On newer vehicles, they are built into the headlight assembly and move the entire assembly. In either case, these bolts must be able to turn freely. Since they are under the hood and out in front, where they experience all the harshness of Mother Nature that she can throw at it, they do seize and/or break, and they are not really on any maintenance schedule. Also, adjusting these today requires some pretty sophisticated equipment. Luckily, we have many replacement options available. Most will require a pair of fasteners and an additional mounting hardware that is required. They are vehicle and model specific, so be sure to ask your customer the pertinent application information before looking up the part numbers. This is also a good time to suggest new bulbs if replacement style bulbs are applicable. You can also ask your customer how the lenses are. Chances are they are fogged and yellow. This is the perfect time to offer a headlight lens renewal kit. Your customers will thank you for ensuring that they can see clearly at night. Thanks for being with us, and we'll see you next time.